In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add GitHub Copilot to Visual Studio Code so you can write code faster with AI assistance. To get started, go ahead and open Visual Studio Code on your computer. Make sure the app is fully loaded so you can access the main editor window and the tools on the left-hand side. If you already have a project open, that's perfectly fine. If not, you can still complete the setup without opening a specific folder first. Once Visual Studio Code is open, look over to the left sidebar and click on the extensions icon. This is the one that looks like 4 small squares grouped together. The extensions panel is where you can browse, search for, and install add-ons that expand what VS Code can do, and GitHub Copilot is installed from here. At the top of the extensions panel, you'll see a search bar. Click into that search bar and type GitHub Copilot. As you type, VS Code will begin showing matching results automatically. This makes it easy to find the correct extension quickly. In the search results, find GitHub Copilot and click the blue install button next to it. Visual Studio Code will then download and install the extension for you. This usually only takes a few moments depending on your internet connection. Just wait until the installation finishes before moving on. After that, a prompt will appear asking you to sign in to your GitHub account. Click Sign In, and your browser will open with the instructions you need to log in and authorize Visual Studio Code to use GitHub Copilot. Follow the browser steps carefully, then complete the sign-in process there. Once that's done, head back to VS Code. When you return to Visual Studio Code, you should see that Copilot is now active. A good sign that everything worked correctly is the Copilot icon appearing in the bottom right corner of the window. That tells you the extension is installed, connected, and ready to assist you while you code. Now you're ready to use it. Open any code file and start typing as you normally would. As GitHub Copilot detects what you're working on, it will begin suggesting code for you automatically. When a suggestion appears and you want to use it, simply press the Tab key to accept it. This can help speed up repetitive tasks, generate useful code patterns, and make writing code feel much smoother. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more easy coding tutorials.